Be stupid.
Go.
I'm not chugging it.
Justina, I don't want you touching another bottle.
That's the last one, I promise.
No, because you're being stupid.
That's not pills, it's beer. Go, chug, bitch. You can only stop at half. David doesn't like softies.
She's not injured. Just pause it. She's not injured.
Put the bottle in her mouth. She likes the long necks.
She's like, oh shit, this thing is empty.
Look at her eyes.
This thing is not emptying out.
She dropped it.
That's it, no more. That's it. Give me the bottle. I want to finish it. I gotta finish it. Let me finish it.
I'll punch you.
Just stop. Come on.
I'll punch you in
Look
your
at her eyes.
nads.
Look at her eyes. They're already glassy.
Come on, just go.
Your gonads are gonna
Look at her.
nasty.
See him?
Just go.
This thing's nasty. You got some lizards on it. I think they got a worm
No,
in the
stop.
bottom.
That's it. No more. Can I finish
Alright,
the
come on.
rest?
Made in
Alright.
Mexico.
I want to
think
finish
that's
the rest. I want to finish the rest. Let me finish the rest.
That was nasty. I don't know.
No. I'm telling you.
Did it
That's
break?
Stupid. That's ridiculous.
Did it break? It's gonna break.
She's already fucking knocked out.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are. Look at your fucking eyes.
That's because it's watering.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. It's not funny.
Look at
It's not funny. Are you serious?
Let me see your eyes. Look into the light. Little glassy eyes. You look like a little deer in the headlights.
It was a deer on the headlights and some beer on the carpet.
Look at this. Look at this.
Yeah, look at it. Look at it.
Yeah, it only took 6 minutes.